Hello everyone, hope you all are fine. First of all, many thanks for appreciating my previous video. Your comments and appreciation have motivated me a lot. Keep supporting me like this. And if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe it right now and do press the bell icon there. Friends, to me, Guru Gobind Singh Ji, Guru Dronacharya and Acharya Chanakya are the greatest teachers ever. I don't want to compare here Guru Gobind Singh Ji with the other two teachers because Guru Gobind Singh Ji is a divine being, and moreover what he did for all of us and for our country has never done before and can never be done in future too. So let's talk about Guru Dronacharya and Acharya Chanakya. Acharya Chanakya was a scholar and a teacher in Takshila University. Later he became the Prime Minister of Chandragupta, whereas Guru Dronacharya was an expert in martial art and one of the greatest archers of that time. In my previous video, I told you to be a teacher like Acharya Chanakya and not like Guru Dronacharya, mainly for two reasons. Firstly, Guru Dronacharya was not impartial and practiced favorism as a teacher. Secondly, he did injustice to Eklavya by asking for his right thumb only to make Arjuna, his disciple, the ultimate archer of that time. No teacher can do like this, and nothing can justify these two sins committed by Guru Dronacharya as a teacher. Let's talk about Acharya Chanakya now. It is said that a teacher is a nation builder. During the times of Acharya Chanakya, our country, Bharat, was divided into many small independent kingdoms. Acharya Chanakya not only envisioned a united Bharat, but with the help of his disciples made it possible as well. Moreover, he performed his duties selflessly like a saint throughout his life. Indeed, he was a nation builder. That's why I told you to be a teacher like Acharya Chanakya. You are also rebuilding this nation. You are also rebuilding this society. Your job is divine. Your job is priceless, though you are paid for it. Your services cannot be compared with the services given by other professionals. And if there is no comparison between your service and the service given by the other professional, your efforts must be incomparable. You must be a better human being and a better professional. You have to come up to that level. Friends, imparting information based on the framed syllabus is just an academic part of your teaching profession. A teacher is supposed to develop the overall personality of his students, or I would rather say a teacher should deal with the growth of the body, mind and soul of each of his students. For this, you need not to do more all the times, because more isn't always better. Sometimes it is just more. You need to plan your work well and to execute it even better. How to plan your work well and how to execute in a better way, I will be talking about it in my coming videos. Don't forget to share my video if you like it. Thank you.